Yo guys, what is up? It's Teach here, coming at you again with another video, and I am here to show you my gaming rig. A lot of you have asked, Teach, what do you play on? What do you use? So I'm going to show you. I'm going to list literally every component that I have, from accessories to parts to my Xbox even that I have hanging out up there. Got a capture card in there. I'm even talk about how I built my own desk. If you guys want to see a video of me how you can build your own desk for less than 70 bucks, just write in the comments below and I'll see if I can make one of those too. Super easy to do actually. But everything you see here was not hand built. I didn't build all the parts, but I put everything together, attached it all. I didn't get any help. And that's kind of, what I want to show you guys how to do that on your own. So I'll walk you through what I have. Obviously, I've got some parts that you do not need because some of them are more expensive. You can go with a much cheaper version of what I have, but here's what I have. And I will show you some close-ups of some of the stuff. I'll kind of like take a picture and like talk through what I have up there. And that'll kind of be how I go through it. So that's kind of my thought process for right now. But the build itself, I have 3 monitors. I have one monitor up top that you can see up there, and that's kind of like my monitor that's for my music, my Discord, anything that's like a security or an additional thing that I don't need goes up to that monitor. And it kind of just serves as extra stuff. The middle monitor that you see right here is probably my favorite monitor that I've ever had. It's a 27-inch monitor that I got for dirt cheap. It is amazing. I have yet to see a better monitor deal. It's curved. It's really nice. It's got a very bright pixel. The bezel, which is like the little thing on the outside, almost doesn't exist, which is really nice. It's just an awesome monitor. So that's probably my favorite. And then on the right over there, I have an MSI 24-inch as well. This one in the middle is a Pixio 27-inch, and I'll tag those. Don't worry. Beneath, I'll tag them so you can see the actual parts on Amazon and where you can get them if you want to get them as well. And obviously, if you want to, helps me out a little bit too. So it's up to you. So anyways, I've also got all these accessories here. The accessories that you see, this right here is just a mouse pad. It's a super cheap mouse pad. It's the 2.5-foot mouse pad. It's pretty awesome though. I like having the really big ones because the smaller ones, you just kind of keep your mouse on it. But if you have a huge one, you can move your mouse all over the place and it helps a ton. And that's just kind of what I have. I have dual Logitech accessories. I've got the keyboard, which is really nice. It's the G910, I think, the G910 Orion. A lot of people don't like it because it's kind of got like a little curve down here. I love it. It's probably my favorite board that I've used so far. It's basically a mechanical keyboard. It's really nice. I like it a lot. And I've also got the the 510 mouse, Logitech mouse. It's awesome. I don't have the wireless version. The reason I don't have the wireless is sometimes there's a little bit of an issue in connection issues the further you are away from your actual tower. So that's why I've got the actual connected hardwired one. I think I'll go to a wireless one someday, just not yet. That's not my plan quite yet. So anyways, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to like take a picture of my actual rig because you can't really go inside of it. And I'll kind of show you what is going on inside of that. Alright guys, so basically this is my actual gaming tower that you see here. I decided instead of just taking a picture that I'll just talk through while it's kind of in the background here. Lots of flashy lights, you can see that. The tower itself is gigantic. Here's my hand up against it just so you can see. It's glass walls on all 4 sides technically. So I love the glass look to it. The reason that I have that is just it's what I like a lot. The tower itself is a View 71 thermal take tower. I love it. It's huge, but I mean a lot of people want smaller. I like the bigger ones because it feels like you get nicer cooling. In my opinion, because you've got more room in there, so you're not trying to force a bunch of parts that get really hot close to each other. So that's why I've got the bigger parts and bigger space in there. So that's why I like the bigger one a lot. Now, the actual board itself is an Asus Prime Z390. It's really nice. I love it. It's got lots of connections that I like for it. You can see that I've got plenty of room in there. It's the full size, not the micro size, so I like it a lot. That's the one I have. The actual cooling system, I don't have fans for my CPU. I've got a Master Liquid Cooler Master, 360 millimeter essentially. And it's got 3 fans like you see. Obviously, it works super well. I can't think of a time that my CPU has ever gone above like 50 or 60 degrees, which is amazing, in case you're curious about that. Now, I've also got some RAM in there. I've got 2 sticks of 16 gigabyte RAM in there. Obviously, you can see probably from the video itself. I've got the Trident G-Skill in there. I love it. It's awesome. It's the 3200 instead of the smaller version, so I think it works really nicely. And then, obviously, we can talk all day about the parts in there, but I'm kind of just showing you what I have. I've also got in there that big, huge honkin' gamer card, the GPU, and that bad boy is the GeForce 2080 Super. Now, I love EVGA. That's the one that I have. There are 3 fans cooling it from underneath, and that thing is a bad mamma jamma. I love it. It's probably it's an expensive card for sure, but it's my favorite. I love that thing. That's probably my favorite part in this whole machine. Now, also in the center, obviously, you can see the Cooler Master cooling the actual CPU, but obviously it's not in there right now. You can't see it, at least. I have the Coffee Lake 9900K iCore 9 from Intel. Now, it's an amazing chip. I love the CPU that I have. It works great. It's got, I think it's like a 3.6 boost max, or 4.2 when you boost it. It's an amazing, amazing CPU. And that's the Intel, I guess that's what's inside of my computer itself. I also have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different fans in there, all cooling everything pretty regularly. And then you've got the water-cooled CPU itself. Pretty cool stuff. So that's that, and we'll talk about the rest of my stuff now. Alright guys, so that is my actual rig itself. The other accessories that I do have a Blue Yeti microphone. It's the Snowball. I think it's the Snowball, not the Yeti. At least it's just a blue microphone called the Snowball. It's amazing. It gets all my stuff done that I need it to. It makes my voice sound much better than it probably normally does, which is kind of cool. I've got my Xbox hooked up right there, obviously. I love having that there. I'm more of an Xbox than I am a PlayStation. I don't think there's a big difference. I just have more friends that play Xbox, which is why I play Xbox too. So that's kind of what I have there. I have a capture card that takes that to my PC, so I can basically play it through my PC, so it's a much better looking game, and I can also record it without causing issues to that. The desk itself is a door. I literally built it out of a door and then a couple of different posts and stuff like that. I put a bunch of holes in the back side, voice crack, so I can actually get through all that, which is pretty neat as well. That's kind of what I have rocking there though, and that's kind of my gaming setup. I will leave some pictures and stuff like that so you can kind of see the different components of what I have, and I'll leave obviously a link below so you guys can see all the different parts for yourselves. And this is my gaming rig. If there's anything else you want to see, let me know. All right, teach out.